How you doing? This is Tariq McGilberry. I've been a Widener student since the fall of 2016. Um, my experiences in the field, I guess, like right now, I work in mental health. I, my internship, my first internship was with a reentry program, which helped returning citizens reintegrate into the society. Uh, my current full-time job, like I said, was at a mental health agency. We provide case management. There's specific focus case managers, which are like housing oriented or uh, vocational oriented. And then I'm the substance abuse counselor. I used to be the vocational counselor, which helped individuals suffering from milder mental health symptoms obtain employment and help them with things like resumes and trying to fill out applications and submit applications and trying to help them go over like etiquette, interview etiquette, appropriate dress attire, trying to help them with just interview skills and stuff like that. I recently, probably at toward the end of last year, moved into the substance abuse counselor, which basically that that position helps people, excuse me, that are dealing with drug and alcohol issues. Like I hold group, a substance abuse group once a week, and I basically, if they need treatment, I try to refer them to different treatment facilities, whether that's a detox or a full out rehab. Um, some people are welcoming to the experience of going through a detox or rehab, but some aren't. Some people will deny that they have problems. Some people will continue to use and tell you that they're not. Um, but my job is there to be supportive as I can and try to refer them for services. Like I always get told, at least ask them if they want, if they deny it, or if they say they don't want to go into treatment. At least we're there to support them and offer them the option. Um, my goals for developing into a clinical uh, social worker, basically, my goal is to work in a private practice that offers psychotherapy or have my own private practice one day. I really enjoyed trying to work with people one on one, I guess. Like, I like group therapy or the groups that are run, but I think my strengths are in one on one counseling. Um, some of my, I guess, challenges, I would guess, just, I guess my challenges would be in group settings at times. Like when we're in a group setting and it's a group, uh, not all the time you get good feedback or get group participation. So I believe that group isn't an avenue for like the therapist or the clinician to sit there and grandstand. I try to elicit as much group participation as I can. So sometimes when I guess things that I have to work on is trying to get more interaction and like I took a peer class, a peer certification class, and they spoke about rolling with the resistance and how to get people that uh, don't want to engage. So I think that's something I have to strengthen over time. So thank you.